In this video, I will show you Gcache having a error problem of oops, this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower. So don't worry if you have facing this problem. So watch this video till end and I am sure that this problem will fixed in your mobile. Let's begin. So first of all, if you are new or old subscriber, so I have a request, please like this video and comment which mobile you are using right now or in which country are you watching this video. So please comment your mobile or country name. So come on, let's start the video. So first of all, I will show you how to fix this problem. So this problem is mainly having two reasons. First of all, I will show you what you have to take a step. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, and after opening your Play Store, just click on this search button and just search Gcache. Okay, so you have to search Gcache, and after searching the Gcache, just check out the Gcache is 100% update or not. If it's showing any update, so please kindly update this version, and if it is updated, so move on step number 2. Step number 2 is you have to check your Gcache cache. First of all, you have to search your Gcache. So I have click on the Gcache logo, and after clicking on the Gcache logo, you will see this icon. Okay, this eye icon. So just click on this, or info something written on your Gcache icon. So just click on this and you will able to see the app info. Okay, after seeing this app info, just check out where is storage. So I have storage here. Okay, so I will what do here that just click on the storage, and after clicking on the storage, just click on the clear data. Okay, so just click on the clear data and you will see the cache. You have to not clear all your data, you have to just click on your clear cache only. Okay, just keep it side, don't click here. Click all data, you have to not to click on this clear all data, you have to just click on clear cache only. Okay, after clicking on clear cache, just after doing this second step, your 2 step has completed. Now the third step is most important step. So first of all, you have to go to in your setting, mobile setting. You can go from here, just checking out your setting icon, just click on this and you are here, or else you can go from your upside mobile drop down section, just click on your setting logo, just you are on this settings section. After coming here, you have to search here. This is the most important part. Okay, so you have to search here DNS. If you don't have a searching icon or searching bar like this, what I have, so don't worry, just you have to check all the options where is DNS. One thing I am searching in this DNS. Okay, after clicking here, you have to search DNS. So you have to type here DNS. So just click DNS. After searching this DNS, you will see DNS, private DNS. So you have to search a private DNS, or you have another mobile, so you will see only written DNS only. So just search DNS in your mobile setting. If you found this DNS or private DNS, just click on that. If your private DNS is off, so kindly you have to this cancel, means you don't have to put your DNS on off. You have to not to touch automatic, not to touch off. You have to do a private DNS host name. This is a cleaning your network congestion. There is a network congestion. So here's the my custom DNS is dnsedgar.dns.com. You have to don't put this DNS. Okay, I will remove this DNS, and after that I will provide you clean and clear DNS ID. So DNS link you will see to add DNS link here. So click on below in comment box, there is a DNS link, just click on that and you will get a DNS ID. After coming to your this DNS, you have to just paste your DNS ID here and your boom, your Gcache will work. So how it will be work, so I will explain step by step how to take DNS. While I will show you how to get DNS from my comment box, so I will show you that DNS link is available in my comment box. So just click on the DNS link from my comment box. So before going to DNS link of my comment, you have to go to Play Store and install one app. That DNS link will be shown on that app only. You have to come on Play Store, so don't worry, it will be 100% secure, nothing else. You have to search TerraBox. I know this is not the correct way to explain the DNS link. TerraBox is a, I know you are watching something other videos on this TerraBox, TeraBox, but I have put this DNS link on TeraBox only. So just you have to open TeraBox and create a new Gmail account. Okay, just click on with continue with Google. After opening this TeraBox app, you have to click on continue with Google. After clicking on the continue with Google, you have to come on the comment box at DNS link. You have to click on this DNS link. After clicking on this DNS link, you will directly open the TeraBox app, and while you going to the TeraBox app, and in that TeraBox app I have provided 15 DNS. After clicking on this DNS link and opening the TeraBox app, you will see 15 DNS. Okay, so 15 DNS, just you have to copy one DNS and paste on your mobile. So let's come and check out this. After clicking on that, here's the DNS link have been shown on TeraBox. So see 1 2 3 4 5, there are multiple DNS I have hide because you will not go from my link which I have provided in comment box. So I recommend you to just click on that. See, I have provided the DNS link on TeraBox because from your sign up and from your side opening the TeraBox and doing the sign up on TeraBox, I will get some small amount of commission. That's why I have provided the DNS on TeraBox.